Major General Mugisha Muntu okwatira ekigombe kya Ante Bendera okuronda Karoro mu kyange kya Acholi yakutandikira mu district ya Nwoya aho yateera campaign ye yokubanza omu town council ya Kosh Goma. Ahaba hajizebe bamugambire biri kubateganisa omumitorre yabo oguyabashaba kumushajika ngokwara asinje enako ibara kurabamo neija kuhinduka ebyafaayo.
With the experiences I've gone through which have even tested me and strengthened me further, how can I be overwhelmed at 67? That's the only way out of this mess. That's why I seek your vote. The people
Hona bantu batakira muntu barukoreka kubara kuteganisibwa ebinyamishwa ebirukurugo muri Action Force ebirukubatahirra bikabasisira emisiri yabo kandi General Muntu yagira ngo government ye neija kombeka ekitimba okubahwera.
Twakabisanga mbitunde ebira twaliko ebunyaruguru twaliko ekamwenge twaliko kitagwenda nayo nga balina ebizibu by'ebisoro ate omwaka ogwagwanga tuzimba ekibiina twaliko ekitubu madyope nabo nga balina ekizibu kyekimu ekirabika nti bulajjagavu bwa gavumenti kubanga abantu abadde awali nanka national park gavumenti esande okuzimbayo ki fences ez'amasanyalaze.
Muntu kuyarwa mu Rugoma yazo muri Anaka Town Council okwabayo bamugambira kuba rukuteganisibwa obutagira mbazi omumarwaro. Muntu yabagarkamo arukubagira ngo amarwaro gona agayombekerwa mu butwaro bw'abajungu naza gataha mutindo ogwekika kya higuru.
Wano mu Nwoya tuli kumpi n'eddwaliro mu kwagonga ngeri y'egombe n'amara getwakayita mu ng'ekagadi mu Buganda ne Bunyoro namwo temuli ddagala. Amarwaro abiri mulimu agazimbibwa World Bank mukaga munana gagane ebitanda 10 gakyalinga bwe gaali olwo population increases kubanga mukaga munana twalinga milioni 8.9 tuli milioni 8.7.
Oguyazo myanya ndijo nka arero arokuhendera district ya Nwoya bwanyimanukwe kweyonjerayo okuzo mu district ya Amuru kandi oko eminyeta baherize emishomo yabo bayoreka kubatine mirimo kandi aba General Muntu yabashaba ngo bamwesije bamuhakaruru kabo arondere ebizibu byabo mbazi.
There are people who are educated in this place, but most of them are jobless and there is nothing that they have to do. They are just sitting at home.
Yes. I have had leaders who are asking people to surrender so as to get their rights. How can you surrender when you are fighting for your rights? You pay taxes. The doesn't give you a favor by having drugs in hospitals. That you bow to a leader who is supposed to do what he needs to do because he's in a position where he's using your taxes, and then you have to go kneel to him simply to do you.
General Muntu nyenchakare naija kusiba mu district ya Guru arukuronda Karuru nde Edwin Ram ahabwa TV West agache nchwire.